There is a Rubik's cube that I have solved till to third part. Rubik's cube that is solved to third. This is that image of that. I'm unable to solve it completely. The rest 1/3 it seems difficult. For the first part, for the about top part, for the first top part, the algorithm used being one being just placing each part correctly at the top portion, first layer. The second layer, the algorithm used being an ability to foresee connecting one behind another. It is the ability to connect one behind another. That ability to connect one behind another matter in solving the second part of the cube. The algorithm needs to be tried with this logic in mind for solving the second part. And one more observation that I have seen in these days being to reduce pain for palliative care, even for cancer patients. Probably meditation upon sea or the ocean that is very violent. Violent ocean. Imagining a violent ocean with a lot of waves in mind, or wherever there is pain, probably can reduce the black magic attack. And even palliative care, I think it could be useful. So that's what I wanted to tell in this video today. And with this, I'm Jaykrishnan, signing off from today's small video presentation.